Okay, so this is Moving Shadows by Play Astronomical featuring Skyebrows. So I'm guessing it's a collab. So I'm just gonna watch this and then we're gonna comment after. Oh, we got Kirshi already based. Smug Alana.
Every step I take they sway, following then fade away, moving shadows.
And Leaflet.
Black and blue, always right behind
Juju.
the truth. On the wall they stretch
Revan Straub. Dude, they look so good in this.
like tired friends. Chairs and coats become tall ghosts, dancing slow
Everyone looks so good in this.
posts, moving shadows. Climb and fall, running circles on my wall. Every step I take they sway, following then fade away.
This is awesome. I really love the music too.
Kitchen light and hallway door, turn the rug into a shore. My own hands
Now, I'm gonna be honest, some of these VTubers I don't recognize, but
blur across the blind.
a good chunk of them I do.
Climb and fall, running circles on my wall. Every step
I've seen her before. I can't remember her name, but I've seen her.
moving shadows. Black and blue, always right behind the truth.
Oh, we had to have Cinevere. Oh, pufferfish. Right on.
Or the parts I hide at night, yeah. If I face the dark alone, will you leave me or come home? Moving shadows, climb and fall, running circles on my wall.
The visuals in this are just really good. This is awesome.
Stretching out then slip away, moving shadows.
I've seen some of these VTubers. I don't recognize all of them, but I've seen a lot of Ember. We have Ember. That is badass. See, this very much inspires me to do better on my stuff. Yeah, that had everyone in it. That was so good. Super good. I enjoyed the heck out of that. Maybe someday I'll be a big boy too and I'll get featured in one of those videos, right?